In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your OneNote notes to Google Drive. Backing up your notes is an excellent way to ensure that your important information is secure, accessible from multiple devices, and protected against accidental loss. By saving your notebooks to Google Drive, you can also easily share and collaborate with others if needed. To start, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook you want to back up. If you don't already have a notebook, create one and give it a descriptive name to make it easier to identify later. Organizing your notebooks with clear titles helps you manage multiple notes efficiently. Next, go to the File menu and select Export. In the Export options, choose to save your notebook as a OneNote package file or a PDF, depending on your preference. The OneNote package format preserves all your sections, pages, and notes, making it ideal for full backups. Selecting PDF is useful if you want a readable copy, but won't need to edit it later in OneNote. After choosing the format, pick a location on your computer where you want to save the exported file. Give it a name that clearly identifies the notebook and version, especially if you plan to make backups regularly. Once you click Save, OneNote will create the backup file at the location you specified. The next step is to upload the saved file to Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account, then navigate to the folder where you want to store your backup. Click the New button and select File Upload. Then locate the OneNote backup file you saved earlier. Google Drive will upload the file, and once it's finished, your notebook will be safely stored in the cloud. By backing up OneNote notes to Google Drive, you can access them from any device with an internet connection. This also adds an extra layer of security in case your local files are lost or your computer experiences issues. Additionally, you can share the backup with colleagues or classmates if you need to collaborate or provide access to your notes. Regularly backing up your OneNote notebooks is a best practice for keeping your information secure and organized. With just a few steps, you can ensure that your notes are protected, accessible, and ready whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.